Ooh, I'm coming! Ah! Oh, too far. Are you trying to shoot at me? Let me see. I'm gonna go around here. Let me go around here. Where is he? Where is he? There he is! There he is! Did I scare you? No, that's not tag because you're safe. I know. How many different playgrounds we've been to now, Loch? 100? I think we might have. Might have been 100, maybe even 200. So we've been to pirate playgrounds. We've been to water playgrounds. We've been to dinosaur playgrounds. We've been to construction truck playgrounds. But today's playground is a fire truck. Let's go see what the fire truck playground looks like. Look at this, a fire truck. Is it? It's a fire truck obstacle course?
Oh, think of this. It'll race the obstacle course.
It is. Here, let's go to the front part of it. Look at this. You want me to come in with you?
Yes.
All right. I just wanted to take a look from the front. Wow. I've never seen a fire truck. Look at that. Look how cool it is. All right, let's go in.
Going all the way at the back.
Oh, it's a baby. Hi, baby. Yeah. Can you get up there? I don't know if I might be too big to crawl in there. Here, hold that. Ooh. It's very tight.
Oh, but wait, making it.
I'm making it.
Here though, with the camera. We made it.
Oh my gosh. I made it. Ooh, what's up here? Oh, more climbing.
We got it.
So it's a fire truck obstacle course? Oh.
We cut.
Oh, wow. This is, yeah.
No whack.
Yeah, no, Loch, that's a little difficult. Can we jump down here though?
No.
No?
We can jump down, Dale.
You can?
Oh, we know. It's too high.
All right. Let's go back down and go out and around. Loch, are you going to try and jump down there too?
Okay.
Or maybe even out the window. Is it okay to jump out, Loch? I don't know. You go down there. I don't know how I'm going to get down. That looks the easiest. Oh, right out here looks pretty easy.
Hello.
Here, hold that.
We not do this one.
No.
Why we just not do this half? It's much easier for.
Yes, this would be a lot easier. I should have thought about that. Oh.
And
Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. Okay, which room's next? This room? That's where we were, right? Okay, what's next in this obstacle course? Hey, Loch, you can climb over this too. This way, Loch. Look, there's little things for your little feet here. I think, can you?
Yeah, too small for my feet.
Yeah, maybe Loch's a little tinier. No? All right, next. I'm following you through the fire truck. Wait, what's in here?
This is the next one.
Oh, Loch, there's ropes here.
This is the laser room.
The laser room? Okay, go under. Okay, I'll meet you on the other side. I'll be waiting. It's sand. I hope I don't have to chase you guys today because it's so hard to run on sand for me. All right.
And it's easy for us to move.
Especially you can run into the lasers and I can't get you in the lasers.
Yeah, we can do underarm because of the obstacle.
Yep, it's definitely an obstacle course, and this is the next obstacle. It just looks like, oh, there's a fire pole and stuff there.
That is the dog.
Yep, here's the fire pole. Every
Hey,
fire
you
truck
think-
needs a fire pole, I guess,
And you
a
know
firehouse.
we're doing it backwards because we put the dirt up here and then use the fire pole to get down.
Oh, there's a bunch of fire poles. There's 3.
Where do the obstacle?
Okay, you're going up this way.
Wow.
Going up the ladder. Loch, where are you? You're missing some obstacles, Loch. Then you might have to turn around on those to get down, maybe, I don't know. Or just go down like that, like how you were. All right, you take the ladder back down. Where's Loch going? Loch, you missed a bunch of obstacles through the lasers. Look over the lasers. You think you can get through the lasers? Whoa, I'm gonna meet you on the other side, Loch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. You can hear sand, don't you? Okay. Whoa, look at that move. Okay, Loch, climb up here. You got the ropes for you. Let's see, can you do it? All right, let's go get Finnegan down. Wait, Loch, wait for us. We gotta get Finnegan. Let's get Finnegan first. All right, how's it going? You got it? Slow and steady wins the race. You're welcome. It's always better to stop and help a friend. Like, there are a bunch of, I think you just climbed through them. No, they spin. Hey, Loch, have you seen these spinny things? What's under there?
Want to follow me?
Oh, I don't know if I can follow you. Ooh. Oh. Oh my gosh, this is a good obstacle course. I gotta tell you, isn't it? Here, I'm coming around the other side, Finn. I'll meet you there. Oh, look at these big tunnels you can climb in. Lachlan, you're up there. You did it? You got out of there?
I don't want.
Loch, what do you think? Can you get down here? Do you want my help? What's in there? This looks like the last part of the obstacle course. Wow, do you know, see all those tubes in there? You can climb over those tubes, climb under those tubes, they spin around, and you can go through the tubes.
No, not true.
Ooh, Finn got up there.
It's way too big.
Whoa. Hold on, I'm coming to your side, Finn. Yep. So, do you think you can get over it? Here, want me to help you? We'll go underneath, because there's more under there.
Brave.
You're being so brave.
Table.
Wait, we lost Lachlan. Lachlan, I don't see you.
Let's put in the tubes.
Okay, I'm going the other side to get Lachlan.
I don't know.
Where is he? Is he in this tube?
He's not in the
No.
tube.
Is he in that tube? No.
He's in here at the obstacle.
There he is. Can you get over it, Loch? It's spinny. He's trying to figure out the spinny one. Can he get over it? That's the question. Do you need some help, Loch? He's trying to stop it from spinning.
Hi, Mama.
Surprise! Okay, here, Loch. Whoa! Look at that! Okay, let's go to the slide at the end. Do you want to go see the slide, Loch? Hold on, Loch's climbing up this part of the obstacle course, Finn. Whoa, wait for me, Loch. Let me come help you. Whoa, he was a bird. He was flapping his wings. Did you fly?
Every time you do that,
That's the hard part. It's the lasers. Or is it the ropes? Are you climbing the ropes now? Whoa. All right, I'm gonna meet you at the other side. Hold on tight. Use your hands. Hold on tight. Oh my gosh, he's almost done it. Woo! Here's a slide.
I so cool.
Hold on.
The bed.
I can't go through the vents. Oh my gosh.
This is the
Loch,
bed.
where are you going? We lost him in here in a tube. Get the other side. Whoa, Loch was in there. There must be a secret hole over here, Finn. So this is the back of the fire truck, is it? And there's like a secret hideout here. Hello, Finn.
This is all
Wait.
keys.
Here, wait, I hear someone upstairs here. Loch, is that the slide? Is that how you get to the slide?
Yep.
That looks like one of the slowest slides you've ever been on. Is it? So slow you think you can climb it? Other people might come down the slide. Woo! It is a very slow slide. Wait. Should we play tag? Hold on. We got some time for tag before we go? What? Whoa. Oh, maybe hide and go seek this time. Let's play hide and go seek, Finn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not? Here I come. I hear Lachlan, but I also have to tag you if I see you. I hear him. He's out. He's out. Got you. All right, I'm gonna go look for Finnegan. Where is Finnegan?
Do it again.
I will. Of course I will. Oh my gosh, they're both in there. I'm going around here. No, you're fast. He's too fast. He's gone in the lasers. I can't get him in the lasers. Oh, maybe I'm coming in the lasers. No, I can't. No, I can't. The lasers will get me, but I see Finn. He's going outside. Where is he?
I
There you
tagged
are.
him.
You tagged him? Well, if you guys are gonna hide in there, I can't come get you. I can't tag you in the lasers. All right, let's play tag. I'm over here. Who will I tag? It depends who I see. 3, 2, 1. I'm getting you, Loch. I'm coming to get you. Oh my gosh, you're getting in there? Oh, you think you're just gonna sit in there and Mama's not gonna come get you, eh? Surprise, surprise! Woo! Surprise, surprise! Mommy Longlegs strikes again. Mommy Longlegs coming to get you. Where are you? Where is he? Where did he go? Where'd he go? Lachlan Finnegan. Where is Finnegan? I thought I heard. Where are you? I thought I heard. Oh! There he is. Oh no. It's so hard to get. It's so hard to tag in here because there's so many different places. Here, he's underneath here. I'm gonna bang. Maybe that'll scare him out. He's in all the tubes underneath there. Let's see, did it work? Nope, I don't see his feet under there. There's all the tubes. I don't know where you are. Oh, I hear you. I'm answering back. I hear you. Oh, you're up there. I see Finn. I was too fast. Ooh, I'm coming! Oh, too far. Ooh, Loch, look at that. Yeah, that's the thing I wanted to show you. Loch, you look like a dancer. You're doing all sorts of twists and dances. Like an ice skater. Can I come get you? 3, 2, 1. Oh, he's going in here. Oh, he's going around. Oh, he's safe. He's on wood. Hold on, I hear Finn calling. I hear Finn calling. Oh, you ran on wood. I can't get you if you're on wood. Well, that was fast. You're safe. That was fast.
Want to walk me through that pipe?
Sure.
Me fine. This is the pipe.
Woo! You're gonna chase me?
Yep. But now.
Wait, I thought you were gonna chase me. Are you gonna chase me or no? Are you it? Whoa! Oh no! No, he's right behind me. Can you see him? Oh no! I gotta go through here. He's the hug monster. Where is he? Okay, there's his foot. I see his foot. I see his foot. Maybe he's going through the other side, is he? He's gone! He's gone! There he is! There's the hug monster. He's coming for us, Loch. Loch! Run! Run! Loch, run faster! I'm going this way! Let's split up. Oh, good, he went past me. There he is! Oh, careful, gentle! Oh no! Coming around! No! Oh! Finn's fast! Ah! Oh no! Can I get in here? Locky's coming again. You're on wood. You're safe.
Hurry!
I'm out of breath. Oh no! He's a hug monster. Where is he? Loch's there. Loch's safe. Where's the hug monster? Have you seen him?
Come here.
Oh, you gonna help me up? He's right behind. Hold on, Loch. I can't get up there fast enough. I'm gonna run. I'm gonna run. Oh no, he's behind me. Hurry, 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 hurry. Go through here. Is he behind me? Is he behind me? He's still behind me, is he? Oh. You're so fast. That's the way I feel about you. You never give me a chance. I can't run anymore. Oh, you got me.